In this video, we're talking about how you can double your YouTube income overnight. I teamed up with my buddy Armando. He has an awesome tech and filmmaking channel, and he's got one small change that will drastically improve the amount of money that you're bringing in from your affiliate links. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Jeven Dovey. I do filmmaking tutorials, I do product reviews, I also do a lot of YouTube training. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss one of these tutorials. So this video is really cool because this is an idea that I actually learned from Armando when I first met him. When you meet other YouTubers and you start working together, there are things that you're doing that other people might not be doing. And it's really interesting when something just like clicks, and he has a technique on how he brings in more income through his affiliate links. It's really cool what he's doing, and it's something that I've actually implemented in my channel, and I've seen a massive growth in the amount of money that's coming in through my affiliate links. So before we get into this technique, I just want to introduce Armando and what his channel's all about.
Hey guys, my name is Armando Ferreira. I run a YouTube channel called Mondo Bites where we talk about filmmaking, tips and tricks, and a little bit of gear, and sometimes even dabble into technology. In order to understand how affiliate marketing works, I think it's important to go over the basics, and that's something that Jeven will talk about right now.
So let's talk about affiliate marketing in general. So what it is basically you are promoting other people's products, and when you do, you get a kickback. Super simple. And the way it works here on YouTube is that you use links. So in my description, you'll see some affiliate links. So if I'm talking about products, say I'm talking about the camera I'm shooting on the GH5S right now. What I would do is go in the description and put a link to this camera. And when you click on that link, I then get a kickback. So it might be like 10% or 5% or 2%, depending on whatever the company's deal is, you get a percentage of the sale. So because you're driving traffic to the website, you get a kickback. And this is a massive way that you can earn money here on YouTube. And it's something that you should incorporate. No matter what type of channel that you're creating, there is opportunities for affiliate marketing. And I guarantee any product that you use, there is a way to make an affiliate commission off it. So it's something that you can integrate into everything that you're doing, because no matter what products you're using or what you're talking about, if you just mention something, well, you should get a kickback for that because you're the person who introduced the viewer on the other side of the screen to that product. So the big one YouTubers use in general is Amazon affiliates, but there is a lot of other affiliate programs out there. You could have one for a camera company like Adorama. You could have one for Target. You could have one for Walmart. There is affiliate marketing for any website out there. So if you drive traffic, you should get a kickback from it. So how affiliate marketing works is that when you go to the website through my unique link in the description, there's a cookie that is applied to your browser, and a cookie is a tracking link. So basically, if you go to a website, the cookie will stick on your page for say 24 hours. So if you buy anything within that 24 hours, I then get a kickback for any of those purchases. This is why affiliate marketing is so powerful. So depending on which program you're a part of, it could be 24 hours, it could be 72 hours, it just depends on how long the cookie window is. And so what that does is it allows someone to go check out the product and then come back later and purchase it, and you still make that affiliate commission. However, beyond just putting a link down in your description, there's a technique that Armando uses that will increase the amount of sales you get. So Armando, take it from here and let's talk about Genius Link.
So Genius Link is a powerful tool in the sense that you can use one affiliate link to manage multiple accounts. So let me explain that a little bit further. So right now I have different affiliate accounts from Amazon, not only from the US, but also Canada, Denmark, Japan, and a whole bunch of other countries. The problem is if I start to list every affiliate account, say for example, I shoot with the Canon C200, and if I have one for Canada, one for Denmark, one for Japan, it starts to look very cluttered and also unorganized and confusing for the audience. What if I can just put one link, and depending on where they live, it will actually serve them the correct home address. So for example, if somebody from Canada clicks on that link, it will show them the Canadian Amazon affiliate, which is much more cleaner. And also you can create like custom URLs, but that's a whole different thing. So another way that you can optimize your affiliate links is by creating what Genius calls a choice page, which essentially is like a landing page. So for example, you have your Amazon affiliate, but let's say for example, there's another affiliate account that is not related to Amazon. In my case, it's B&H Photos. So I also have an affiliate account with B&H Photos. So what you can do is you can create this choice page, and then what it allows you to do is give your audience a choice of where they want to buy a product. Now, what's neat about this is, like Jeven explained about the cookie window, is that they're almost forced to kind of click on both links depending on the text that you implement. In my case, I put something like, click here to find the lowest deal. So as an audience, as the viewership, if they're looking at that, they're gonna wanna click on both links. And you have to understand, like he mentioned, is some affiliate accounts have a 24-hour cookie window, some of them have a 48-hour or even longer. So the fact that they're clicking on multiple links, it just drops that cookie onto their computer, and now you have a better chance that you'll be able to generate more income. And this is something that I've implemented on my channel now for over a year, and it's helped my affiliate income grow substantially. And I know that Jeven has also been doing this now for quite some time.
So when I first met Armando, he showed me Genius Links, and this was really cool. We were just chatting about YouTube in general and just kind of different strategies each of us were using, and he was talking about Genius Links. So I'm glad he turned me onto this because there's so much more potential to earn commission sales by using Genius Link. Now, another tool that I want to bring to your attention because we're talking about affiliate marketing is Kit.com. So I use Kit.com, and it's a great place to house all of your products in one space, and you can create lists. So Kit.com is basically a place where you can create like playlists of products. So you can create a bucket of products, and in there you can have all the products you use. So for example, if you go to my kit, I have my favorite filmmaking gear, or I have my iPhone filmmaking gear kit. You go into that bucket and it has every product that I would suggest you use if you're gonna get into iPhone filmmaking or iPhone vlogging. Now what's really cool is that every one of these links is an affiliate link. So it's basically a housing of buckets of affiliate links. And so you can set up all of your buckets, and then from your YouTube channel, if you're talking about say your vlogging gear, you can send people to your vlogging kit on kit.com, and you have all your affiliate links in one place, so you don't have to litter your YouTube description with all of your affiliate links. Now, something Armando does, and I do as well, is I'll put a few links in my description, some of the main things that people will be interested in clicking on. And if you want to see the rest of the gear that I use, go to kit.com, and I send them to my homepage where it houses all of my kits. So if someone wants to see my GH5 kit or my iPhone kit or my GoPro kit, they're all there, and you can start sorting through and click around, and you can use this as another tool for affiliate marketing. Armando also uses Kit.com, and here's his strategy when he's building out his kits.
So my strategy with Kit is trying to build groups. So for example, I have something like my studio setup, which encompasses camera and gear that I use for my studio. Then I have something like my vlog setup. The idea is that if you create these groups, somebody might be interested in looking at all those products. I even have one called Best Gear Under $35. So these are little knickknacks that I found that are essential to my workflow that are under $35, and they're all kind of grouped together, and that allows me to just kind of place that, and people can kind of search for that and of course drive affiliate income. So hopefully these tips and tricks help you guys out, and I appreciate Jeven for having me on his channel.
Now, like I said earlier in this video, there is an affiliate marketing program for everything that you do. So any product that you talk about, anything that you talk about in your videos that has a product is gonna have an affiliate. So I highly suggest signing up for affiliate programs, incorporating it. It's not something where you have to be like super salesy in your videos and be like, hey, buy this product. But as you talk about products naturally and organically in your videos, people are gonna be interested in them, and they'll wanna see more information, and potentially they're gonna wanna buy something. So you should have an affiliate link so you can capture some additional income off of that. And you should use a Genius link because then you can create more options for people to choose and potentially get more sales. And that's how you can really expand how much money you're making off affiliate marketing and make it one of your main income revenue streams here on the platform. All right, guys, I highly suggest going over to Armando's channel, checking out some of his videos. He's got some really awesome content. And guys, that is it. I'd love to hear your thoughts about affiliate marketing down in the comments below. Do you guys do affiliate marketing? Have you been using Genius Link, or is this new to you? I'd love to hear from you guys on your thoughts around Genius Link. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.